How to show green dot on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, scroll down and under the How Others Can Interact with You tab, you will see the option for messages and story replies. Tap on that and then tap on the Show Activity option you see there. Now, the green dot basically is your activity status. So if you want to show your activity status, then toggle on the show activity status toggle button you see there. And with this, green dot will be shown beside the people who are active on Instagram if they have enabled the activity status feature too. So, this is how you can show green dot on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.